In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to provide the correct transfer record to Kucoin customer support. Whether you've faced issues with your transactions or simply need to give Kucoin the required information, this guide will help you obtain and share your transfer history accurately. To start first, you'll need to navigate to the Kucoin website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kucoin's homepage. This is an essential step because all further actions will be conducted through the Kucoin platform to ensure security and accuracy. Once you're on the Kucoin homepage, look for the Login option on the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login and enter your credentials. It's important to ensure you're using a secure and private internet connection during this process to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Input your email and password carefully, and if prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps for an additional layer of security. After logging into your account, you'll be redirected to the main page of the Kucoin platform. From here, navigate your way to the Assets section. You might find this option either on the top menu or under your profile drop-down, depending on the layout of the page. Clicking on Assets will take you to the financial overview of your account. In the Assets section, you will see an option named History. This is where you can find all past transactions associated with your Kucoin account. Click on History to access a detailed log of your activities. This includes deposits, withdrawals, and any transfers you've made, providing a comprehensive look at your account status. Within the History tab, locate the Transfer section. This is a crucial part of the process. By scrolling through your transfer history, you can identify the exact transaction in question. This clarity ensures that the information you provide to Kucoin customer support is precise and relevant. Once you have identified the correct transfer record, take note of all essential details, such as transaction ID, date, and amount. This information will be imperative when communicating with customer support. It's advised to take screenshots as an additional proof, just in case it's required later. When you have all your transfer details securely collected, you can now reach out to Kucoin customer support through their designated channel, whether it's via email or live chat on their website. Present them with your compiled information clearly and precisely to ensure a swift and effective resolution to any issue you might be experiencing. And there you have it. By following these steps accurately, you'll be well prepared to provide Kucoin customer support with the correct transfer record, ensuring that any concerns are addressed promptly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope it has been helpful in your navigation of the Kucoin platform.